This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Saturn S series. This happens to be a Gen 3 model. That's from 2000 to 2002. And what we're doing today is we got this sunroof right here, and we're gonna remove the switch. First thing we need to do before we try to replace or remove our sunroof switch and map lights is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery, because we got electrical wires we're going to remove. Alright, let's remove this bezel. Gotcha. Alright, now underneath there we got this Phillips head screw, just one, which is nice. Least amount of fasteners the better. Alright, let's not drop it. Come on, Rich, don't drop it, don't drop it. Okay, there it is. Now, we gotta snake that out of there. Okay, we got it that far. Now we gotta remove the electrical connections right here. Little retainer. Alright, we got that one. And we got this one right here. Pull that up with my fingernail, and there she be. There's your sunroof switch. Open, close, vent. Close, open. Little map lights here. That's it. Now if you want to replace it, alright, let's put that back. Put that back. Alright, let's snake that back up there. Alright, that should be in place. Bezel. There it is. All back together. So that's all there is to replacing a sunroof switch and map light on your Saturn S series.